video. Have you ever experienced having a buffet breakfast where you were asked, how do you want your eggs? And you have no idea? Well, today's episode will tell you how to nail the egg station for your next buffet breakfast. Fried egg is the most common choice. You could try having sunny side up, which is fried on one side and never flipped. The yolk is as bright as the morning sun, while the white on the surface are barely set. If you want your eggs a little runny, you could try over easy. It gets fried on both sides, but not very long on the second side, so the yolk doesn't get cooked through. For over medium, the yolk is only slightly wet, while on the over well or over hard, the egg is complete cooked on both sides. The next common way is to scramble the eggs. Before heating, the yolk and white will be stirred and mixed well. After thoroughly whisked, the eggs are poured into a pan and get gently heated, typically with salt, butter, and sometimes other ingredients. If you feel like eating a fluffy and slightly less well-cooked egg with a creamier texture, you could try soft scrambled egg. The other option is hard scrambled egg, which is fully cooked through and dry. If you want your eggs mixed and filled with the ingredients of your choice like vegetables, cheese, and meat, then omelet is the best breakfast for you. The last scrambled egg dish that you may love is the frittatas. It's an Italian dish mixed with added ingredients like vegetables and meats. Next up, we have steamed eggs. This method will serve your egg more tender and creamier like chawanmushi, which is a Japanese dish that is literally called teacup steamed egg. If you're on a diet, boiled eggs are the ideal choice for you. It can be soft boiled, which leaves the egg yolk at least partially liquid, or you could try the hard-boiled eggs, where the egg white and egg yolk are both solid. If you're craving for something savory, you could try a scotch egg. It's either soft or hard-boiled egg wrapped in sausage meat, coated in breadcrumbs, and baked or deep-fried. Another healthy option is the poached egg, where the egg is cooked without the shell. It's up to you if you want it soft or hard. Eggs Benedict is a unique egg dish popularized in New York City. Having a sandwich with muffin topped with poached egg can really look appealing. Now it's about the dessert name of the game, the baked eggs. A quiche looks like an egg pie but differs in taste and ingredients. It's a French tart consisting of pastry crust filled with savory custard and pieces of cheese, meat, seafood, or vegetables. If you're looking for a fluffy cupcake-like choice, you might consider having a souffle. Originated in France, it's made with egg yolks and beaten egg whites combined with various ingredients and served as a savory main dish or dessert. Cheat based on herb, especially if you have tried custard. It's a variety of culinary preparation based on milk or cream cooked with egg yolk to thicken it, and sometimes also flour, cornstarch, or gelatin. If you're adventurous in your diet, some exotic egg dishes are recommended for you to consider. Bullet is a fertilized duck egg incubated for 2 weeks. Many people believe that sipping its juice directly from the shell can boost your energy. When it comes to preservation of eggs, we have the century eggs with certain ingredients that are preserved from weeks to months. Same thing as a salted egg. It's also preserved duck egg having a round yolk that is bright orange, red in color. That's it! So next time the chubby chef asks you, how do you want your eggs? You have an idea which kind of dish you would prefer. Thanks for watching! Please don't forget to hit subscribe for more informative videos. Bye! 亲爱的小朋友们，鸡蛋的烹饪方法有上百种，你可以一一品尝。不过最主要的分成煎、炒、蒸、煮、烤这5种类型，也很好记啊。Aside from chicken eggs, what other types of eggs are edible? And can you name some dishes of these eggs?